this video, I'll show you how you can fix the ChatGPT scroll button not working. Now, if you cannot scroll on ChatGPT, the way that you can fix this is you want to head over to the ChatGPT website, right click and press inspect. Then what you want to do is press anywhere on here and press Control F. This will open up the search menu, and then what you want to do is type overflow : and it should take you to something called overflow : hidden semicolon. What you want to do is you want to double click, select hidden, delete it, and type auto. So it will say overflow : auto semicolon. Press enter and you can close it down, and then now it should work. Now, if this still doesn't work, another thing you can try and do is to use another browser. So instead of using Google Chrome, you can try and use Microsoft Edge, or you can try and use Firefox. This can also help solve the issue. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.